Hello guys and welcome back to lesson 5 of my CapCut PC beginner masterclass. If you're just joining us, you're welcome. My name is Imo King. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use LUTs to color grade your clips in CapCut PC. So like I said, this is lesson 5. If you've not been joining us, I would highly recommend that you go back and begin to watch from the beginning of this masterclass. To begin, I've imported these clips into my timeline over here. To use LUTs, the first thing you need to do is to come over to adjustments over here. And under adjustments, come down and select LUTs. By default, you're going to either be on the media tab over here or on effect. So you need to move over to adjustments and scroll down and select LUTs. And as you can see, I do not have any LUTs at the moment. It's showing you that you need to import cube and 3DL files. Any other kind of files will not work here. To import LUTs, the first thing you need to do is to download LUTs. Now you can find free LUTs by coming over to Google and just simply searching for free LUTs. There's a lot of websites that give out free LUTs. You can come over here and select in any one. For this tutorial, I'm going to select Shutterstock. I see 48 free custom LUTs over there. And scroll down until the point where it tells you to download. There's a lot of other LUTs. If you scroll down, you can find other LUTs over here and you can download them. I'm just going to basically select the first option over here, which is this, and select this. And as you can see, it has been downloaded over here. So, okay, I've downloaded it before. All you need to do is to right click and select extract file. So you need a WinRAR or 7-zip to extract your files. Then open these files. You can now see that we now have under Shutterstock free LUTs. We have 13 free LUTs over here. Now to import them into CapCut, all you need to do is to open CapCut and select import over here. Now you need to locate where you have your LUTs. These are my LUTs. So CapCut has automatically detected my LUTs, but if it hasn't for you, you need to locate where you have that LUT. For me, it's under downloads, then the folder free LUTs, then the folder for Shutterstock free LUTs. Now you can either select them one after the other, or you can highlight them all by holding down Shift and the down arrow key and hit open. And automatically all these LUTs will be imported into CapCut PC. Now, if you click on any of the LUTs, you will see the effect of that LUT added to your clip. Now, if I select this, you can see the effect. So basically, there are different LUTs and they have different impacts. So once you see something that is similar to what you like, so this is darkish in color, this is Long Beach, this looks something similar to our previous video, you can select it. I'm going to go ahead and select this and drag it as an adjustment layer. Now, if we come over to any portion without it and select this and double click on it or select add, it's going to be added as an adjustment layer. So I'm going to delete this second LUT over here and hover over this LUT, so you can see that this LUT has been added to this clip over here. If I select here, you see what the video was like without LUT. And if I come over here, you see what it's like with the LUT. So you need to select your LUT and drag it to assume the length of your clip. If you want it to go throughout the entire timeline, you select the LUT and you drag it to the entire timeline to cover the entire clips. Now, if your LUT seems too intense, you can always select the adjustments layer of the LUT and come over to the basic tab over here, and you can reduce the intensity of the LUT over here, and you can increase the intensity over here. You can also adjust the temperature if you like. I'm going to leave it as it is. You can also increase the saturation of your LUT. As I increase the saturation, you can see the effect. You can also reduce the saturation if you think it is too intense. I'm going to increase it slightly to this position. And if you like, you can come over to the HSL over here and you can reduce or increase specific colors, like selecting the green over here. If you want to reduce the green, you can reduce the saturation of the green. And as you can see, we are affecting the grasses only because the grasses are green. And if I adjust here and adjust the brightness, it affects only the green. But if I select this other portion, like we said, and adjust the saturation of this, I'm adjusting the saturation of this color, which is the basketball cut over here. So if you want to deselect the color grade, you can actually toggle it off here to take it out, or you can actually delete it here. And that's it, guys, on how to color grade your videos using LUTs in CapCut PC.